Hey, Kolby.vaughan here with M&P Yacht Center. Today I'm going to take you through this 2011 Azimut 55E. Come on, let's take a look. So the very first thing you'll notice on this boat is that it actually has a hydraulic swim platform. This is an aftermarket edition, so we've got the crane up top and the hydraulic platform on the back. So you could run a dinghy or a jet ski down here. You can have another jet ski up top if you wanted, so you can have all the toys on the boat. It's really neat how they did that on this boat. Just gives you that extra kind of fun in the sun feel when you're out on the boat. We've got a teak platform here on the back. So this is a fixed part of the platform. So when you drop the hydraulic down in the water, you can set up a couple director's chairs, a couple lounges, maybe some outdoor beanbag chairs, and kind of have this little beach club area set up here for you. As we step aboard, there is a crew cabin underneath these aft seats here. Tons of headroom in here. Got a teak table, a couple chairs again, and then right here, we've got a nice little drink fridge. So you can keep your drinks cool, you don't have to be too far away, and they're all right here. We've got nice opening stainless steel glass doors here that flow right into the aft salon. So as you come into the boat, still lots of headroom. Again, if you've seen my other videos, I'm 6'6", so there's lots of space here. Nice salon seating area. High-low TV. There's a cool little pop-out table here as well, so you can swing this out. You can have drinks, cocktails, snacks, and everything right here at the back of the boat. So that flows really nicely into your outdoor seating area on the back of the boat. Moving forward, we have our galley off to the port, and we also have some more seating and dinette off to the starboard side here. So it's kind of set up right now for maybe 6 people, so 4 on the outside, and there's 2 stools that you can pull out. But if you wanted to have maybe just a little bit more access with a smaller group, the whole center section opens up and you can remove that leaf completely, and you can just have more seating and more access around these 2 smaller tables. On the port side, we've got our fridge freezer combination, Panasonic microwave, 3-burner stovetop. Lots of storage in the island here as well. So if you are wanting to do a little bit longer cruising, a little bit longer weekends out on the boat, then you've got lots of space to store that stuff. Moving to the helm here, we've got the original Righini electronics. The boat is equipped with a yacht controller, so it's got a bow and a stern thruster, ZF controls. We've got a pilot, kind of a pilot house seat here, so great visibility if you're cruising from inside. And then we do also have full redundancy up on the bridge. We've also got a newer Kohler generator on here. It was just installed in 2024. And lots of fun electronics. We've got interface, forward-looking sonar, a chain counter, Righini VHF radio, and then upstairs there's actually a suite of Garmin electronics as well. So as we come down below, you'll see that we've actually replaced all of the wall paneling and ceiling panels up here that were sagging. So a lot of Azimuts over the years have had sagging wall panels and ceiling headliners. So those have been replaced. Carpets all got the plastic overlay on it just for boat shows and things like that. It is a 3-cabin, 2-head layout, so VIP forward with a guest cabin and their own head, and then an owner's cabin in the back here. So here in the owner's cabin, we've got this offset island queen. We've got a really nice head back here, and then tons of storage. So all these lockers open up. They're cedar lined lockers, tons of space everywhere you can possibly imagine here. There's just a lot of storage in this owner's cabin. So up here on the forward part of the boat, we've got the island queen here for your guests, your VIP room. So they've got, again, got lots of storage, lots of natural light, opening port lights in here, cruise air AC throughout the boat, so for heating and cooling. And then your third cabin is set up as 2 singles here on the starboard side. And both of those bedrooms share the ensuite head off to the port side. So just as you exit the owner's cabin, we do have a combo washer dryer unit here for doing laundry. Up here on the Flybridge, we've got this really nice enclosure. We've got opening windows on the sides. You could take this entire canvas down in the summertime if you wanted to. We've got a grill up here, as well as a fridge and storage Upholstery was replaced about 5 years ago on the boat with a fiberglass table here. Again, duplicate from downstairs in terms of general controls electronics. We've got bow and a stern thruster, upgraded Fusion stereo, electronic shifters, Caterpillar displays, and here is where we have the Garmin chart plotter. Thanks very much for joining me on this tour of the 2011 Azimut 55E. I'm Kolby Vaughan with M&P Yacht Center.